Hi, and welcome to another show. And today we're going to talk about how to get through the parks with a disability.
Everybody wants to have a wonderful time here in Disneyland Paris. The more information about this subject, the merrier, I think.
First of all, we would like to tell you that if you have a disability, there are two different cards that you can get.
The two cards are the priority card and the easy access card. The easy access card is for when you have a temporary disability or in case of a pregnancy. So you cannot stand too long in line to wait for a ride. The other one, priority card, is when you are disabled in such a way that you need immediate access to a ride.
If you need such a card, you can go to the website of Disneyland Paris, and here you can find the details about these cards. If you would like to have more information, you can also click on the link down in the description of this video. What if you have a disability and you know that this card will be excellent for you and your condition? How to get a card like that? What do you need to do?
When you arrive at the park, you have to be able to hand over a signed and stamped letter from your doctor or physician, written in French or English, describing your medical condition. That's the case for the easy access card and the priority card.
And for the priority, it's also possible to show your European disabled parking card.
Hey, Daisy! Hi! Finally, we've got you in the picture.
Thank you
hey,
so
congratulations with Mickey's birthday.
Bye!
Bye bye.
That was a big surprise.
That was a very big surprise. The next question is, where can you get those cards? Well, here at City Hall or at studio services at Disney Studios and even at Donald's desk.
What is the best way for you to get around in the Disneyland parks? Well, you don't need to figure this out all by yourself. Disneyland Paris made a special accessibility map. There is one for the Disneyland Park and another one for Walt Disney Studios. You can get the physical maps in the park, for example when you pick up your priority or easy access card, but you can also get the park maps online. We will put a link in the description down below. Besides the best accessible routes for wheelchairs, there's so much more information on these maps. For example, if a ride is safe for you when you're pregnant, have back problems, or when you are visually or hearing impaired. For wheelchairs, there is often a special wheelchair card at some of the rides. Or they made some extra room for you at the shows. And often these are the best seats to see the show.
This, for example, is one of those signs that says that you have to enter here when you are disabled. So for example, this is actually the exit of Big Thunder Mountain. So it's good to know.
If you have a priority card, you can make use of the special section in front of the castle for the fireworks and over here for the parade. To give people with a disability the best chance for a good view of the fireworks in the evening here on Central Plaza, there's an area section off especially for people with a disability. Right next to the area for people with an Infinity Pass. So, job's again.
When you have an easy access pass, you do not have access to the special place where you can watch the fireworks or the parade. When you have a priority card and if you want to go into a ride, you can go as soon as possible. They won't let you wait any longer than necessary.
Yeah, absolutely. And for the parade, there are 3 sections where you can watch the parade.
At the beginning of It's a Small World.
In the middle near the Royal Castle stage. And at the end at Town Square.
Okay, at Town Square, I didn't know that.
This area is especially reserved for people with a disability.
Okay, so it's a very important card when you have a medical condition. So, yeah, use it when you can, right?
And what about when you would like to meet Disney characters when you have a priority or an easy access card? When you have a priority card, you can walk up to a cast member that is close to the character meet and greet and make a reservation. You will get a return time. At that certain time, you will meet the Disney character as soon as possible. You should know that there are limited time slots per character per day. Did you know that at Meet Mickey Mouse there is a special disability entrance? To enter you can ring Mickey's doorbell. The Easy Access card works like a fast pass. And because there is no fast pass possible at character meet and greets, the Easy Access card is unfortunately not valid for meeting the characters.
Okay, so we're here at the parking spot of Disneyland Paris, and behind me you can see some parking places for when you have a disability and you need a parking spot. These are for the Infinity annual pass holders, but there is also a special parking space for you near the Disneyland Hotel. And if you want to get there, you need to access the normal parking space. Yep. So you have to drive into the normal parking lot of Disneyland Paris. And there's this big sign that says, you know, the wheelchair sign, go right. That's where you need to go. And then you will get this detour to the Disneyland Hotel where you can park your car. It's that easy. Here's the Disneyland Hotel, and as you can see at the back, there's the parking space for when you have a disability. So that's a very good service. And then, Sven, what do they have to do?
Yeah, walk down this way.
Yeah, and as you can see, here's already the entrance to the Disneyland Park.
And Donald's desk is over that side, and the entrance to the park is over there.
And guest relations is?
Guest relations is also right over here.
Wow, great, so close by. It's already the end of the video and already the end of all the information that we can tell you about going to Disneyland Paris when you have a disability.
Yeah, so if you want to know more and specific details, and yeah, if you want to read all the information that we looked up to make this video, have a look at all the links down in the description. And well,
and also we would like to ask you, when you watch this and you have a disability and you already went to Disneyland Paris and you have some experiences, please share them with others in the comments under this video.
For us, the view on how things are arranged here in the parks can be a little bit different than when you do have a disability. So please, again, share us your experiences.
This makes it the end of the video. We hope that you enjoyed it. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And maybe next time we'll see you in Main Street. Bye!
Hey, great, you've made it to the end screen of this video. Very well done. If you liked the video because you watched it till the end, maybe it's worth subscribing to our channel. You can do that over here. And while you're busy anyway, why not click on one of the other videos that we've made in the past? You might like that as well. And if you do so, then next time you are in Disneyland Paris, Mickey Mouse will give you an extra big hug.